If you are looking to deploy DFR, this video is for you. Welcome to our final episode of our DFR series. We've covered infrastructure vision and integrated workflow. Today, let's step into the real world. We're bringing in Frontline customers to share their experience.
We started working with DJI docks as soon as the first generation came out, and we've been pushing the boundaries of what autonomous drone security can do ever since. Recently, there's been a real revolution in this space. DJI has enabled us to integrate docks directly into existing VMS systems. What that means is that the dock can now be triggered by an external sensor, a motion detector, a security camera, a perimeter alarm, essentially any sensor that can send a signal, and that changes everything.
Traditionally, you would send out a drone team, and it would take about 45 minutes perhaps to get to a location. With the dock out there, it can allow us to respond within 30 seconds in a remote territory. So early on, we realized that cameras were passively recording, and we needed something to kind of enhance our security measures in the community. Things can go from 0 to 100 really quick. So what auto dispatch enables us to do is respond to a trigger sent by our camera systems, and it deploys a drone to a location. We needed to see more beyond the visual line of sight of the camera, right? So a lot of times there's a lot in play when there's a situation, and the drone gave us the ability to kind of see how it's playing out.
That is why reliability matters. A DFR system can't wait for the good weather. In rain, wind, or tough environments, Dock 3 is built to stay ready. With IP55 protection, 12 meters per second wind resistance, it keeps the next mission available when your team just needs it. But for public safety IT teams, security comes down to two things: where the data lives and who controls it. It secures media stream with AES-256 encryption and safeguards cloud traffic via HTTPS. Access is strictly governed through role-based access control and single sign-on, giving your IT administrators ultimate control. On top of that, FlyHub supports fully air-gapped on-premise deployments. All data reside exclusively on your enterprise physical servers, guarantee complete isolation from the public internet. And the DJI FlyHub 2 all-in-one provide a plug-and-play solution with on-premise FlyHub pre-installed. It's ready right out of the box and ensure your data stays at your premises. Ultimately, a successful DFR program comes down to three things: field-proven robustness, deeply integrated workflow, and enterprise-grade data security. Don't just plan for the future of public safety, deploy it. Download our comprehensive DFR white paper today to map out your deployments, or visit our website to get started. When the next emergency call comes in, make sure your area response is already in the air.